In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove favorites in Etsy. Whether you're navigating on your desktop or through the Etsy app, the process is simple. And I'm here to guide you through every step to ensure that your favorites list is exactly how you want it. Let's start with accessing your favorites. If you're using Etsy on a desktop, you'll need to go to the top right corner of the page. Look for a heart icon. It might be small, but it's unmistakably a heart. Go ahead and click on that heart icon, and a drop-down will appear showing your favorite items and shops. Now, if you're using the Etsy app on your mobile device, the process is a bit different, but still straightforward. You'll want to tap on the U icon. This is essentially your profile picture. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Favorites. Tap on that to proceed. Now that you've reached your favorites, let's focus on the items themselves. Etsy sorts favorites into different categories or tabs, so make sure you're on the right one. You'll want to be in the Items tab if you're looking to manage saved items, or in the specific collection if you've saved them to a custom grouping. When you've located the item you'd like to remove from your favorites, scroll until you see it among the list. Etsy makes this pretty visual and straightforward. You'll notice a red heart icon directly on the item's photo, a clear indicator that this item is indeed one of your favorites. To remove this item from your favorites, simply click or tap on that red heart icon. It's like flipping a switch. This action removes the item from your list almost immediately, making it disappear from your site and releasing a spot for new favorites. If, however, the item belonged to a custom collection you've created, there's one extra step. Once you click the heart, a menu might appear listing all the collections. You'll need to uncheck the name of the collection where the item is stored. After that, don't forget to tap Done to confirm the removal from that collection. In just those few simple steps, the item will be gone from your favorites, leaving your list fresh and a little more organized. It's always a good idea to review and tidy up favorites now and then, ensuring they reflect your current tastes and preferences. I hope this quick guide makes your Etsy browsing a bit smoother, and as always, keep shopping creatively.